What's up, y'all? It's Bam. I'm just gonna jump straight into this video. So remember this box dye right here that I used to color my roots in my previous video? Well, it didn't turn out the color that I wanted. It was like a chestnut brown, but it came out to be this like mint green grayish color. So I had to think fast, and I used the watercolor method to dip my roots inside the water, and it came out like this. And this is not how I wanted my roots. I did not want my roots that far down. So I asked some of y'all in the comments to let me know where did I go wrong with using this box dye, because like I said, I'm not experienced with box dye at all. So I really wanted to know, and some of you guys really helped me and like gave me a better understanding of what happened. So right now I'm going to show y'all how to remove hair dye off your wig to turn it back blonde if you ever like mess up. So let's get straight into this video. So I already removed the hair dye off one side of my wig. As y'all can see, it's back blonde. And I didn't want to remove all the dye because I'm just going to dye my roots all over again. So what you will need to achieve this is dish soap, clarifying shampoo, and baking soda. So I already boiled some hot water, so I'm just putting that inside the bin, and then I'm going to refill my pot with warm water and mix it in with the boiling hot water to like balance out the temperature, because you don't want the water too hot. So I'm putting my ingredients inside the bin one by one. It really don't matter the order as long as they're all mixed in together. So I put my dish soap, my clarifying shampoo, then my baking soda. Then I'm going to take my spoon and mix it all in real good. Once you do all that, then you can start dipping your hair inside the water. Then you're going to start to see the hair dye slowly fade from your hair and turn back blonde. And the only reason you'll need clarifying shampoo instead of regular shampoo is because clarifying shampoo helps strip hair dye off your hair. So clarifying shampoo is like the key ingredient. So that's just a little tip for y'all. And another tip, do not use a lot of baking soda. Do not use a lot of baking soda. It will dry your hair out and your hair will like literally fall out. So do not use a lot of baking soda. Use like a teaspoon. Just put a little bit. I eyeballed it, but just put a little bit of baking soda. Make sure you put a little bit. Make sure you put a little bit of baking soda. You do not need a lot, okay? It will dry your hair out. So I'm just dipping it until the color starts to fade off from the hair. And I didn't dip my whole wig because it was really no need to. I just needed this one little part of the dye off my wig. So I'm just going to like let it sit inside the water basically. So I'm gonna come back. So at this point, y'all probably wouldn't be able to tell, but it was like a tannish color. It wasn't fully blonde. So I added some more of the ingredients, just a little bit. Like I added just a little bit. I promise you guys, you do not need a lot of this stuff. Like a little goes a long way. So I'm adding some more, and then I'm going to dip it some more until it's fully blonde. So now I'm going to stop dipping it because the section that I wanted blonde is now blonde. And as y'all can see, the water turned like this brownish color. So that's how you know the hair dye is stripped from the hair. So now I'm going to take it out and shampoo and condition my hair. Y'all, this made a huge difference. As y'all can see, like, the brown stops right at the top of the roots. So if y'all ever mess up on dyeing y'all hair or whatever, use this method because it works. So now I'm just washing my hair with Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and I'm gonna leave the conditioner on my hair for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out just in case like the products did dry my hair out a little bit. I'm gonna leave the conditioner on there for a little longer. So yeah. So I let the conditioner sit on my hair for about 20 minutes, and then I rinse it out with cold water. And y'all, my hair was super soft. It did not feel dry at all. So when you're doing this method, make sure to leave the conditioner on there for like 15 to 20 minutes. So I redid my roots. As y'all can see, I made them a little darker and they're shorter this time. So this is how it came out. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
You not rockin' pink, can you sit with me? Bitch, what the fuck you think? Hell to the fuck no. Oh.